All right, guys, good afternoon. Welcome aboard to the Aftermarket Recap. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to join me today and every afternoon, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, going over the markets, answering your questions. As always, having fun doing it. Bottom right-hand corner of your screen, white logo. Click on that logo, subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos if you do enjoy these videos. Leave a comment if you have any questions, anything I can answer. Please let us know in the comment section. And share our videos with everybody, whoever is interested, and turn on notifications. Again, don't miss anything from our channel. More great things to come. Let's talk about it. Dow Jones gained 183 points. NASDAQ up 210, 1.41%. S&P up 0.92%. That sounds good to me. VIX down 5% at 1841. That works. Equal weight S&P up 0.94%. So it wasn't just only tech. Small caps up 1% today. Nice job, team, getting those IWM calls to 1761. The dollar fell after Powell made his comments in front of Congress, down 0.40%, 95.60. 10-year Treasury yield down to 1.746. Good sign as well. Gold rose today. Let's check this future side. Gold gained 1.26% at 18.21 an ounce. Silver futures up 1.59%, 22.82 an ounce. Taking a look at credit markets. Credit markets love the comments as well on the market action, as high yield credit gained 0.47%, while investment grade credit gained 0.30%. Crude oil gained nearly 4% today, 81.33 a barrel. Gold futures, no, I did that already, gold futures. And missing one thing, good old crypto coming back. Ethereum futures up 5%, 3,236. Thank you, Powell. Thank you, dollar. And Bitcoin 42,685, up 0.25%, with gasoline futures rounding it out, up to $2.34 a gallon, up 3%. Nice day so far. Okay. First of all, Ahmed, I just saw that comment and I saw the word Green Bay, and I was like, we're not there yet. Green Bay hasn't played a playoff game. I know. Sorry. I'll answer this question really quick. Hey, Carlos. So today was a green day prior to CPI. Given the sentiment is higher than expected, CPI, do you expect to be red? Well, really, I have no idea what to expect because I don't have the numbers in front of me. I wish I did. But the White House did tell the media that they expect inflation to be higher than expected, and the market still went up. So who knows? But really, today was all about Powell. Powell saved the world again, in a sense, saying that he's keeping a Goldilocks view of how to handle inflation. So I guess they're not set in raising 4 times this year or anything like that. Markets cheered. So basically the Fed is playing, kind of that cat and mouse game with the market. If they see the market falling too low, they'll be a little, hey, we're not going to raise that fast. And if the market's too high, then I guess the little headlines come out that they expect more than expected rate hikes. So obviously Powell is concerned about inflation, but the number tomorrow will be very key. But the market cheered his commentary regarding having kind of like a Goldilocks sentiment of not too hot, not too cold, kind of see how it plays out and everything like that. So interesting enough. Any upside on banking and finance tomorrow? Citibank, we had in our watch list this week, just soared as I believe they sold their Mexican operations. They had a great day today, up 1.64%. So the question really is, even with rates going down today, banks traded well. Let's go and take a look at the groups and go over it. On the group side, financials gained 1.21%. Not bad, even for rates going down, even for the dollar going down, that's still good to see. Energy, the big winner, up 3.25%. Basic materials, 1.75%. Cyclicals, 1.68%. Technology did great, 1.48%. Since I'm pretty sure everyone here has tech stocks. Real estate, 0.36%, and defensives rounded out the bottom, 0.02%, with utilities being the worst performer, 0.51%. Again, we know what the utilities are. We know how they handle it. When things are bad, utilities, they kind of flat to green. But for the most part, on a bull day or bull market, this is what happens. mRNA, what I call the Corona VIX, down 5.27%. Usually when people aren't worried about coronavirus, mRNA goes down. But when everyone's really freaking out about it and there's more talks of lockdowns and more booster shots, mRNA goes up. So kind of use that as your COVID VIX. That's what I do. So I could tell today, not a lot of people were talking about the coronavirus because Moderna was down 5.27%. PayPal had a day today up 4.68%. Amazon 2.4% in the gain. Look at energy. XOM up 4.21%. CVX, Chevron up nearly 2.3%. Big laggers that stood out to me. Starbucks, I'm a shareholder. They were down 1.88%. Procter & Gamble down 1.16%. Costco, which I'm now a shareholder of, proud shareholder, up 0.62%. Good to see that today. Qualcomm, one of my top 10, or our top 10 of 2022, had a nice day, up 3.18%. Nvidia, AMD did fire today, up 4%. We tweeted about that earlier today. Adobe up 0.77%. So again, it's a little pockets of red, some healthcare here and there. More of the stable consumer defensives were red. Utilities, as we know, were red. They're more dividend paying. That's it. And with interest rates going down today, the yields, dividend paying stocks are going to kind of take a back seat. And IBM down 1.6% today. All right, let's see. Hey, Carl, CPI is coming tomorrow or Friday? I was confused with him saying Friday. So we have CPI tomorrow, and then we have PPI on Thursday. But Friday, there is no inflationary report that I know of, so no. JP, the hero as we deserve. That's right. Jerome Powell. Plus, remember yesterday, Jamie Dimon even said that he is bullish on the market and very bullish on the economy. Sounds familiar. Stay bullish. I wonder who said that. I'm not going to point any fingers. I don't think this changes anything. We will see volatility in the market until rate hikes increase. That could be also true. But again, a good day is a good day, just like a bad day is a bad day. Everyone's happy today. I guess we just hold on to this moment until tomorrow. For all we know, tomorrow the market could tank. For all we know, the market could soar. So let's go over the charts. What is the chart telling us? The charts are telling us on the future side is that we're hitting very close to short-term resistance. So you can see, I just have to move my mouse over. We're slight above it. Again, right around 4,700 being that line in the sand. What will tell me everything is if we break this level, 4,730. 4,730 gets us back in range. 4,730 gets us back to another range where we were earlier, which was the daily. Oh, let me go ahead and bring up a 4-hour chart. Looks a little better. And you can see if we break that 4730 level, it gets us back to the range, within range of all-time highs. So again, we're still right below 4730. That needs to be broken. That's your 200-day moving average. The short-term resistance, you could see on daily, we're right above the 50. Very key. Bring up the hourly. It's the 200-day 4730. So you do this long enough, all the moving averages kind of coincide. But if 4730 breaks on the S&P, we will get back to 4,800. That's what the next level is. So again, we're looking at the totality of the S&P. What seems to be support? Right around 45.80 to 45.20. So now we have that in the back of our head that that's next levels of support if we get a fall tomorrow, which could possibly happen. If that happens, we start breaking below 46.40. 45.80 will be next. Maybe an opportunity to buy some there, but I'll wait for 45.20 or so to do so. We're not out of the woods yet, I agree. 47.30 would tell me a lot about this market. What are you looking for tomorrow? Any thoughts on calls for BABA, AMD, and Apple? I'm in BABA calls already. I'm in the 135 calls, which is right below the 100-day moving average. I went over that with a student today, right below the 50. That's my target right there. Right at 135, we should be able to get that tomorrow. BABA outperformed the S&P today. As we know, BABA doesn't really have much influence in terms of American inflation. So again, a lot of dip buyers out there that are probably looking for some deals. Why not Alibaba too? So again, the technicals do line up for 135 to hit this week, but really lies on CPI. And until then, we just have to wait and see. I do have some trades open, but again, I think the expectation, kind of the anticipation, the expectation is that it's going to be horrific. But again, if it isn't, let's just say you can have a positive spin on it. We could go a little higher tomorrow too. 47.30 again would tell us a lot. FB PayPal thoughts on charts. Let's take a look at it. I'm in FB calls as well. We are looking at 340. Looking at Facebook, nice break of this V-shaped recovery here, right above that 100-day moving average, which is key. 332 in the short term. 337 would be my first target to hit. That's the 200-day. Pretty much if S&P hits that 200-day, that 200-day moving average on the hourly, we're gonna get it on Facebook too. So I'm bullish for tomorrow. I think all this fear is overplayed. It's the same song, same dance. The world's always ending. 25 basis points will end the world. I highly doubt it. I think the market is extremely resilient. So I am bullish tomorrow. So there we go. Looking at PayPal. Let's see it. PayPal, if I could bring up the daily, maybe there's something there. We're still stuck in range. Really, you want to get above 197 before you do anything here. So I would just wait on PayPal. There's just nothing there. Red day just means discounts. Well, that's what I've been doing. But again, I kind of want a deeper discount. Not every dip is created equal. Let's keep that in mind. So tons to go over tomorrow. Let's see what we get. I'm excited for tomorrow being a good day. Again, usually when people have really high expectations or very low expectations, it tends to go the opposite way. The market really likes to mess with people. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning for the number at 9 a.m. The number releases at 8:30. Keep it locked on Twitter for live market commentary as we go along. Have a great one, guys. Cheers. Make sure to hit that like button. Thank you.